Good morning, Foresters. I'm Daryl Smith.
And I'm Lila Ingenito.
Today is September 27th, day 6. Please stand for the pledge to the flag. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
On this day in history, the first factory-built Ford Model T was introduced.
The Yankee Candle sale is underway. See a member of the senior class to order yours. Seniors, if you have not received your catalog, see Mrs. Holgate. Sale ends October 5th.
Today in sporting news, boys varsity soccer team played at Carbondale yesterday. Final score, Forest City Regional 5, Carbondale 0. Jay Lipko had 4 goals and 1 assist. Goalkeeper Carmine Gigliotti had 3 saves. Congrats to Tyler Clift for achieving his 50th soccer goal in his career. Come on, everyone, let's give him a big round of applause.
The girls' soccer team will be excused today at 3:15 for the game against Holy Cross.
Basketball intramurals are canceled for today.
Senior portraits will be taken on Tuesday, October 9th. Check the schedule in homeroom to find out your schedule time. Also, senior class officer elections will take place this Friday during homeroom. Also, please get all nominations for class model and class song to Mrs. Kemmerer or Miss Zach by October 10th. Remember, the lyrics must be printed and handed in along with the song title.
The juniors are selling pizza coupons from Dominic's Pizza in Carbondale as a junior prom fundraiser. Coupons are only $12 for an 18-inch pizza. Please support the junior prom.
Now let's take a look at the live radar with our very own Luke Bender filling in for Keanu. Take it away, Luke.
Thanks. Good Thursday morning. Taking a look at that live radar. It's pretty quiet for now. We should have a nice dry day, sunny, but of course we'll have to have rain moving in overnight. Tomorrow we will have early showers and fog with a nice dry afternoon with temps in the 60s. Saturday, partly sunny, fresh temps in the 50s, early to 60s to near 70s in the afternoon. That works for me, you got a steady decline going all the way up. That's it for today, so back to you guys.
Thanks, Luke. Looking forward to that dry weather.
Today for lunch is chicken smackers with dipping sauces, mashed potatoes with gravy, California blend veggies, dinner roll, apples, mandarin oranges, and carnival cookie.
When you are submitting pictures of your pets, please make sure to include their names in the email. Thank you.
If you see him today, make sure to wish Mr. Wade a happy birthday.
All band members, please report to the auditorium for a brief meeting at the start of period 1.
Today's quote is, "There is no elevator to success. You have to take the stairs."
Today, DJ of the Week, Mrs. Stout, brings you Tearing Up My Heart by NSYNC from their self-titled album released in 1997. Have a great day.